This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Toyota Tundra key fob. First, ensure all doors are closed and unlocked. This is a crucial starting point for the process. Insert your key into the ignition and remove it 2 times within 5 seconds. This action signals the vehicle to begin the programming sequence. Make sure you have all key fobs you wish to program ready before you start. Next, close all doors, then open and close the driver's door once. Insert and remove the key from the ignition 2 more times. Now, close and open the driver's door again. Insert the key into the ignition and close the driver's door. Turn the ignition to on and then off once. The door locks should cycle, confirming you are in programming mode. With the key still in the ignition, press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on your key fob simultaneously for about 1 second. Release both buttons, then immediately press the lock button by itself for 1 second. The door lock should cycle once to confirm the key fob has been successfully programmed. Repeat this step for any additional fobs you need to program. To exit programming mode, simply remove the key from the ignition. The door locks will cycle 1 final time, indicating that the programming sequence is complete. Now, take a moment to test each of your newly programmed key fobs to ensure they all function correctly. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other helpful deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.